Guide to roll over 401k into Gold IRA with $100,000. Are you looking to stabilize your retirement portfolio amidst economic uncertainty? Discover the strategic advantages of rolling over a 401k into a Gold IRA with $100,000. This guide simplifies the process, ensuring you make informed decisions to protect your future. 1. Understand the rollover. Learn how transferring your 401k to a Gold IRA allows for investment in physical gold, providing a hedge against market volatility. 2. Check eligibility. Ensure you're eligible, typically for those over 59 and a half or no longer with their employer, to avoid penalties. 3. Choose a custodian. Select a reputable custodian to handle your gold purchases and storage. 4. Initiate transfer. Opt for a direct rollover to transfer funds directly from your 401k to your Gold IRA, minimizing tax implications. 5. Fund your Gold IRA. Strategize your $100,000 investment, considering diversification with silver, platinum, and palladium. 6. Buy physical gold. Work with your custodian to purchase IRS-approved gold, 99.5% purity, such as American Gold Eagles or Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. 7. Storage options. Store your gold in an IRS-approved depository, preferring segregated storage for added security. 8. Manage your IRA. Actively monitor your investment, review performance, and stay updated on market trends. 9. Tax implications. Benefit from tax deferral until you take distributions, understanding the rules for early withdrawals. 10. Plan your exit strategy. Develop a long-term plan for liquidating your assets, considering retirement income or estate planning. By following these steps, rolling over a 401k into a Gold IRA with $100,000 can diversify and safeguard your retirement portfolio. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.